This presentation will cover 8 artists in total. These artists are important in the history of modern art. Various events and philosophies that occurred at the turn of the 20th century affected change in some theories of art. The Industrial Revolution that began just prior to the turn of the 20th century gave rise to many new technologies, scientific discoveries, and urbanization. The war to end all wars, World War I, and economic depression also changed the outlook of millions of people. All of this is reflected in different movements in art at this time. Abstract Expressionism is a wholly American movement born in New York. A small group of loosely affiliated artists, many immigrating to the U.S. because of World War I and II, created a stylistically diverse body of work that introduced radical new directions in art and shifted the arts world's focus. No subject matter was there, and the focus was on color and abstraction. One of these artists was Mark Rothko. His life dates are 1903 to 1970. He immigrated with his family to the United States from Russia. Rothko is a color field painter in the Abstract Expressionist movement. Click here to see more about Mark Rothko. Salvador Dali, life dates 1904 to 1988, was a surrealist born of the movement Dada. Dada was a reaction to the horrific outcomes of the wars. Indeed, Dada was anti-traditional art and encouraged artists to make art that questioned our definition of art. Surrealism was an offshoot of Dada. It was a juxtaposition of realist subject matter depicted in a dreamlike or fantasy portrayal, and they were the hallmarks of this style and of Dali's. Frida Kahlo, life dates 1907 to 1954, was labeled a surrealist even though she distanced herself from that affiliation. Her numerous self-portraits, and many would say that every painting was a self-portrait, portray her life and all of its tragic events in every stage. Only Van Gogh and Rembrandt have documented their lives so meticulously like Kahlo. Francis Bacon, life dates 1909 to 1992, was also defined as an abstract expressionist, but was figural. He claimed that after examining Edward Maybridge's Horse in Motion photograph, which was stop action from 1878, he was intrigued with making images that showed motion. Also, movies and newsreels of the time were also inspiration to him. Probably the most celebrated abstract expressionist is Jackson Pollock. His life dates are 1912 to 1956. Pollock's art is called action painting because he splattered, dripped, and threw paint onto his canvas. He said when he was painting, he was in the painting. He was heavily influenced by Jungian theory and even American Indian sand paintings. Lucian Freud, life dates 1922 to 2011, was an expressionist painter. He once said that he did not want to paint the beautiful, rather he concentrated on the physical traits of a person and then exaggerated them. Because of the rather psychic intensity of his portraits, many art critics compared his work with his grandfather's analytic theory. The last 2 artists of this discussion are pop artists. Roy Lichtenstein, life dates 1923 to 1997, and Andy Warhol, life dates 1928 to 1987, among many others, reacted to and against abstract expressionists' lack of subject matter and embraced the economic growth and mass production of advertising as well as parody of current trends, mainly in the United States. The elevation of the commonplace is a true hallmark of pop. In summation, the upheaval that heralded the turn of the 20th century in politics, technology, and worldwide troubles caused many artists to investigate and confront the meaning of art and create new avenues to explore in making art. Abstract Expressionism, Dada, Surrealism, and pop art were some of the movements that were generated.